again to Last Beach 365, and in today's video we are doing a bit of fishing using handlines on the last beach in beautiful Jamaica. Now this beach is found in Negril, and Negril is famous of course for the 7 Mile beach, but this beach is on the west end, and the west end is on the western side of Negril, the western tip of Jamaica, and this beach is the last beach on the western side of the island. Now on any given day in Negril, you'll find people on the beaches or on the cliffs trying to catch some fish using the traditional method, which is the handline. And also a quick bit of history for you. Negril is originally a small fishing village. That is the humble beginning of Negril. So if this is your first time watching a video here on Last Beach 365, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon so you will be notified of each and every video that is uploaded in the future. Also leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video. That's the when the bunny me run. They come like a razor. Tell you no boy, razor, that's all it takes for me one day to get about 3 or 4 slices on my finger. Just one rubbing rub. And I look for my hand and see the blood around. What make him a jump, so? Don't get too carried, man. You been already? Never do that yet. Never catch a shot. One thing we know, this is some big one up, so boy. man are gone on YouTube and Rico. Come on. Yeah, let him go. Come on, let him go. Playing with this sun already, you can't even see him. And with a bait, man. One a little bigger than the other one. Them. Over this side now, amigo. Couple of them well do over there. Take him out. I him run down for it. I'll jump off already too. What kind of way this him get hook? I come in by in tail. What is this?